Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I'll be showing you around Mallard Close. Now, Mallard Close is located within the really popular residential development of Stillwater Park. Now, this detached property comes with a double garage, large driveway, and one of the best things about it, other than its incredible finish with the extension, is the garden that you've got here that backs on to nothing. You've got nobody overlooking you. It's absolutely wonderful. And as we come into the main entrance hall here, you're going to get an instant sense of the quality that's on offer here and the fantastic layout as well. On the ground level of this property, we come here firstly to the downstairs study. Now, with this property, you've got the downstairs study space here, which is a great size, plenty of plug sockets, really nice, easy space to work from home. You've got the downstairs loo as well, which we'll go and take a look at here. And again, it's a really good size, plenty of space in there as well. And you've got that window as well, so you get a nice amount of natural light coming in. Now, with the ground level of this property, like I say again, it's organised really, really nicely. We'll come back through across and come into this main lounge space, which is absolutely fantastic. The vendors here have done the extension out to the back with those Velux lights and with the bifolding doors, and it just transforms this space. You can open those doors up and enjoy your rear garden. The Velux windows can be opened up. It's absolutely wonderful. And what's nice is that this space is also integrated with the dining space just off of the back of the kitchen there. Now, the kitchen is really, really spacious. You've got all of the integrated appliances in here, and it's absolutely brilliant. You've got the wine cooler there. You've got the sink there with the boiling tap. There is the water softener here. You've got the double oven there with the electric hob top. You've got the plumbing for the washing machine here as well. There's a lot of thought that's gone into this amount of space. Now, coming through here, you've got the dining room as well, which offers plenty of space. You've got a big dining room table in there as well as that nice big window. And whether or not you'd like to use this as a downstairs bedroom for you, perhaps, I mean, it's completely up to you. Now, we'll come upstairs and you'll notice that the landing space with this property is really, really nice. And you've got up here 4 good-sized bedrooms. This is the first bedroom that we come across. Again, plenty of space here for the double bed and the window at the front, which gives a nice little outlook onto Mallard Close. But first of some really good sized bedrooms here. Here we are now in the master bedroom. Now, this bedroom, of course, you've got the fitted wardrobes there on the right hand side. You've got the window there at the back, which gives you a really nice outlook onto the garden and gives you an idea of how big that extension really is. You've also got the ensuite shower room here as well, which has been updated. Nice, clean and contemporary look to it. It's a really, really nice space, and paired with that really good sized master bedroom gives you a really nice executive feel to this property. Here we are again in another one of the property's double bedrooms, again with the window at the back overlooking the rear garden, and you've got plenty of space in here for that double bed and for all of those wardrobe cupboard storage spaces there as well. Now, as we come through into the main family bathroom, you'll notice you've got the bath as well as the shower here, and this has been really, really nicely updated from the property's original bathroom and offers a really nice clean and contemporary feel to it. Now, just after that, we come through now into the front bedroom, another one of the front bedrooms with that nice little outlook over Mallard Close. And again, this room is a brilliant size, and you've got, again, those double fitted wardrobes there as well. So we've made our way back downstairs, we've come through the kitchen, and we've made use of those bifolding doors and come through into the back garden here. Now, it's a really lovely mix of outside dining space with the patio there, but you've got a really nice amount of lawned area as well. And the fact that you're not backing onto anything gives it that really nice private feel. Now we'll walk down to the end of the garden here and we'll take a look around and back at the property so you can get a really good sense of how big this garden really is, because it's fantastic. Now you've got this little gate here which offers you a bit of storage space out here. Of course, they've put the paving stones out here to make sure that you can still use it as a bit of storage space, but a real bonus. Not every property will have that, and it's really quite a bonus with the property. Now as we look back, you'll see the full extent of that extension that they've done, and this is one of the only properties that's actually had that done, so it's a really interesting opportunity here as opposed to any of the other properties of this style in Mallard Close. Here we are now looking at the outside barbecue area, which is absolutely brilliant. You've got the extractor fan there as well as the sink, so it's a really nice outside space for you to enjoy with friends and family and get everyone over. The double garage here at this property is a proper double garage. You've got two nice big electric roller doors there, and it's a really nice open space with plenty of storage space up in the roof area there as well. Now as those doors open at the front, you'll see the amount of parking space that you've got here as well again, but it's absolutely brilliant. Whether or not you'd like to use this as a garage or perhaps convert it into a bit more living space is completely up to you, but we'll take another walk out to the front and you'll see again Mallard Close, and we'll take another look back at the main property. This has been Mallard Close, and like I say, it's well worth thinking more about. We have a bit of a bonus feature here for you. We've got a little view of the property at night, and you get to see the full extent of the lighting that they have fitted at the back of the property, which makes full use of that outside dining area and that extension that they've got here. This property really can be used all day round. It's really lovely. You've got the inset lights there along the decking. It's absolutely fantastic, and as we walk down the garden, it gives again that really nice cozy feel. And looking back at the property, you can see there how fantastic this space is for you to enjoy all year round, day and night. It's absolutely brilliant.